up in my town and I'm pulling up, ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done in the bands. I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up.
Uh-oh, we got another box on the floor, another box in the mail. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy 728 Autos, man, back with another video for you, man. I got more stuff for the car, as I told you something was happening. Y'all didn't believe me. Y'all didn't listen to the boy. But I got something in this box down here, man. And I think that y'all probably could tell, you can tell what it is, maybe, if you've been paying attention. But hey, what's in the box, drum roll, is an intake kit. Now, it's not an exact intake per se. I think this is actually better than an intake because the stock air box already flows pretty well on the car. And if you stay tuned to the video and pay attention, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. But what this is a drop-in filter kit from K&N with a hose adapter that goes from the, it's kind of small, it's a small little plastic tube that runs off the stock box into the turbo. And so we got a beefier one that's in the box here. So this whole kit costs less than $100. If you look on the internets and see what the APR intake, carbon fiber intake costs, is almost $500.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the...
Like, there's a couple other different companies that make really nice intakes, but for the simple fact that the intake really isn't going to do too much, you're not really going to get a power gain out of it. You get a little bit of throttle response, maybe. I wasn't really in to spending $500 just to get maybe 10 horsepower. It's not worth it to me, but I will spend less than 100 to get the same benefit. So let me open this box so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And bust out the old Jason Voorhees, get that action going on the damn box. Yeah. All right, now that shenanigan is out the way, we got some more of this damn packing tape. But see, look at this bad boy. See, this is way better than what's on the car stock, man. I'm gonna clean that out a little bit, make sure it's not got any dust from sitting in a parts warehouse for a couple years or whatever, man. This kit looks all right though. Got the clamps on it. Cool. Then there goes that high flow air filter. Drop in, boom. Designed to increase horsepower. Washable, reusable. Yeah, it's in there, man. Y'all see what's in the box. Now I'm gonna try to put this on. I gotta summon the horsepower. Oh, gotta balance this out. It's big dirty up under here, but look what I'm talking about when I say that the stock air box is just fine, man. So if you look in the front here, there's a inlet right here that goes to this, which pulls air, not really from right here, they blocked this off for some reason, but it pulls air from this side. So the air actually never really comes into contact with anything hot. It comes all the way from the front of the car here. Some of the air from there can come up through there, but that's really not finna do shit, to be honest with you. I know a lot of people online will cut those out for this side and cut a hole right here. You're really just fucking wasting your time. Cut that shit out. But this bar right here does get a little bit hot because the radiator and the intercooler, all that stuff's in the front of the car. So where does heat go? Heat rises, right? So this does get it a little hot. As I'm touching it right now, it's really not. And it's a pass-through right here that goes to cool the engine. It's really cool right here. So cool air comes in through there, gets sucked in, goes down through there, and at no point is this really hot. I've been driving this home in traffic. First thing I did when I got home is I opened that box. So the car really hasn't been sitting, and it's really not. It's hot over here. All the heat and stuff, the turbo and all that, it's hot over there, but right through here, not hot at all. So cold air intake. This is already a cold air intake. Pulls air from the front of the car, make sure it's cool. Now this little hose right here with all the crimps and whatever in it, we need to get that off so that we can get our new boom. See how much bigger that thing is? We can get that on there asexual. Plus we'll drop in the filter and we'll be good to go, man. I'm not really gonna bore y'all with filming the whole thing, because I know a lot of people don't really want to watch that shit. It's real simple. You take screws off, open the thing up, put the filter in, clamp this shit, bam, bam. I got some pliers for that. Boomity boom, boom. You're good. So y'all can do this at home. Might take me about 20-30 minutes. I'll be back with y'all later. All right, there it is. I got it installed. Y'all see that? See how much bigger it is than the pipe that came with it, man. I even cleaned it off a little bit, man. Y'all, shit, y'all know the internet gonna be roasting me. But there's the original pipe in that big ass 12-layer burrito ass. Look at this thing. This thing was 32. Yeah, man, this is a damn Bible right here. Jesus made this. And the one that came in the K&M box was like half the size, really. This thing, yeah. So I know pick up a couple little horsepower. Like I said, it ain't gonna be much, but still, I like the look of that. Better than the stock. Like I said, you can see the little ridges inside here, man. Look like the damn, you know them buses that had the two pieces? Little bendy buses. Yeah, so got this thing off. Like I said, this thing works just fine. Like I said, the turbo cars really don't care too much what intake is in front of it, but you do want to be able to get as much air as possible in front of those blades, so this will help a little bit. There's actually turbo, we know it is. It makes a little whistly. That's the scientific term, by the way, whistly. Trademark. Alright, so I've been driving around for a little bit here. I noticed that there's not much of a difference in the top end, like so flooring it right now, it doesn't feel that much different. But coming off of a stop is way different. The throttle response is way better, and then if I'm just giving a little gas, you know, it seems like there's less of a delay, you know, which I like. I think this is gonna be it for this video, man. I've been driving around, I've been liking this. I don't want to go too hard on this right now, you know. I just installed everything, but you know, that might be a little too excessive. But yeah, man, if y'all like this video, man, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Who the fuck go harder than me? Ray-Ban make it harder to see. Who the fuck go harder than me? Ray-Ban make it harder to see. Pardon me, but I'm killing these niggas cause a part of me. Ain't feeling these